Lechwani biro section part kajim tip nam ta kubor like kam MPSC biang sakumba cut light li laka jong kimi light li ki advertisement te kane ka baningkong kade jong ka pehne kane pemi kan 3 April kane ka post kade jong ka library assistant at State Central Library Shillong pay skill level 5 educational qualification, even pass class 12 from any recognized board in India with certificate in library science from any recognized university in India. The dep class 12 tang bagi di ban dep pada ya certificate in library science ne kiba like puli library ru kila hi ban apply nam ta kini post te ki post ki don kawai khajan dia ardle jungaro baro kilong lai tali. Te gitu kiba kamtam kiba like degree na master jong ka library te gila long eligible wet ban apply nam ta gini post te sale euron kam kane gade ka jong ka post library lai tali kimi te sakan mau ka last date kande khanyo tri umi arjar opsan te nam ta gini post kador ka long wet shispa nyupsan ko wei ke ba apply sakawai yang kabar kane bede pelat khanyo tri April arjar opsan ka last date kande khalpra trik jong panai mi post kade jong ka Motor Vehicle Inspector under Transport Department level 11 of revised pay structure kibala ban apply gilong matriculate pass matric tangba with 3 years diploma tang kibala diploma ka mechanical ne automobile engineering from any recognized institute and must have hold a valid driving license to drive a motor vehicle as well as large and heavy good and passenger vehicle tang gitu kiri la ban apply must have a working experience of at least 3 years in reputed automobile workshop which undertake repairs and maintenance of both large and heavy motor vehicle fitted with petrol and diesel engine. Kidon kam ek experience ru nam tagane ka motor vehicle inspector te kadon kawai jong khasi artali jong garu baro kilong lai tali. Dan kane bede kane ro penmi khanyu tarik jong banai April kan mau ba khanyu tarik jong banai April penmi kane ro te kini gidon laka jong ka last date kandai khalpra tarik jong nai mi arjar san post kilong senior scientific assistant in the document division of the Directorate of Forensic Science level 12 kini bre kiba qualification kilong MSc in chemistry physics MSc forensic science with specialization in document examination forensic science at degree level kani dan tangkawai jong garo kategori dan soil and water conservation ranger kane level 11 of revised pay kane kada qualification long diploma holder in civil engineering must undergo the physical test and medical test ate soil water conservation haplet mare te kadon kawai ka UR atli khajentia kawai karu baro gilong sau tali diundon diploma holder ki apply nam takane ma te temut ba kai tang nam ta jongki engineering. And number 3 environmental and Planning and Protection Assistant in the Office of PCCF and HOFF Meghalaya level 11 kane essential graduate in science with any other subject botany zoology chemistry biochemistry environmental science forestry in degree level tang jonggaro kawai librarian in the Directorate of Information and Public Relations level 8 graduate in any discipline with diploma in library science management kane tang jong khasi jencha kawai te sakamau kido ki bokwa na apply ne baro ke terpus ke long khat lai tli te sapet kanok pa philong eligible ban apply te apply ka last date ki don lagi jong don khanyo don khat prami te ka by application ro ka long bai cha shispa don ka ba shispa reporting ka don ka ba shispa nyop san ka wai ka post te ban apply gine phia ban register shwal ada 4 register po ka MPSC da ada register MPSC lana DSC pila ban login by direct apply ki post basa siu ya ka ba de ban siu bat lala ban apply te tangkat ni ki nyuptip khulisibun